Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Minifig Club unboxing for the month of May. I normally do this by myself and then I repackage everything and let my son open it, but he's actually off today because it's the weekend. So he's here to explore this with us. You can get his first impression on what he thinks. So this is a little challenge. I think you get a prize if you post it online. The theme is movie star. Get a postcard. He's wearing like Emmett suit, but he looks like a pirate. Also get a sticker, a bookmark, movie theater edition, a magnet, and then we have our pouches and our sticker. So I also have a postcard where you collect these every month, and when you fill it up you get a free item. I don't know what that free item is, but I will because I signed up for a yearly subscription. Jackson, do you want to open this first, or what should we open? That's the mystery thing. So with this subscription, you get 10 minifigure parts. They are actual Lego pieces, which is important. A lot of those subscriptions aren't. But this is enough to make 3 people and then have an extra piece.
We got a camera.
Cool. And then you get a piece of the month, which is this. It's a little camera. That's cute. And then you also get an accessory pack with some random items there. Let's take a look.
I want to see what they are.
I know. Oh, so if you sign up for the year subscription, it equates to $10.99 a month with free shipping. If you just do it monthly, it is $12.99 a month. I feel like we got this piece before, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought there wasn't supposed to be duplicates, but maybe I'm mistaken. But that's a duplicate. This one has little oil.
I feel like a game guide here.
Okay, we'll take a look at it. Emmett pants. Some plain blue ones. I love that color. They kind of match my nails. Also have, ooh, I like this one. So it's kind of like a tux top. Very nice. And I think this is a duplicate too. We've had, what is it, firefighter pants? So that's interesting. For the heads, we have an angry one and looks like he kind of has like cuts on his face. We have a girl one. This looks like a very old one from like my era. And then we have, oh, that's cute. He has like a little headband. Looks like a little karate guy, a little stubble on his face. This one looks ancient as well. These look like 80s pieces. I'm okay with that though. We collect all things minifigures. Let's see.
Here's a game guy.
Oh, was that in the gold pack or where was he? Yeah, so these little guys, I like them. They come with like the Lego game, like board games. I don't even think they make them anymore, but we have a couple of them.
Here's this piece.
Okay, Jackson's handing me the accessories. That one's a little wand. What else we got?
Oh, like, you saw that.
It's like a little flag.
Yeah, it's plain.
Yeah,
Oh,
attach it on
brown
here.
Thing goes.
You wanted to. It's plain. What else? A hat?
A blue hat.
Mm-hmm. And we unboxed last month and the month before. I think we've only done 2. But like I said, I did sign up for the year subscription. So if you're interested, subscribe and then you'll see what I get every month.
Witch hat.
I love the witch hat.
See, we have some more stuff.
What else we got?
Ooh, like a headphone thing.
Yep. Little headpiece. Well, it has indents there, so it looks like you put like a face shield on it. Maybe there's one in there.
Walkie-talkie.
Yeah, walkie-talkie.
Ooh, like a horn thing.
Mm-hmm.
Duplicate.
Yep. I just noticed on here, this is a picture a kid took and then they featured it, a little 6-year-old. So that's neat that they do that. What else we got?
A dog bowl.
Oh, a little dog bowl. Put some food on it.
Let's see if the did that. But see if this is the last thing.
The last accessory piece is a key, which I like. What did you think of this month, Jackson? Were you happy with the pieces?
Yeah.
And can you tell them how old you are?
6.
Yes. So here is, did I already lose a sticker? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that's our little sticker we'll put there. And I'm really curious to see what you get at the end. If you happen to know, maybe you already signed up for a subscription, let us know. We also are getting ready, or may have already posted, our Lego Series 2 of the Disney figures, the minifigures. So we do unboxings of this subscription, and we do all the minifigure blind bags that you can collect. So if you're interested, subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much. Talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.